Hello, this is Andy Sylvester, and this video is titled WordLand Unboxing. Uh, just- so I'm recording this video as the first time WordLand user experience. WordLand is a editor for posts for WordPress.com blogs. Who am I? Well, I'm a longtime user of Dave Weiner's tools. Dave Weiner's the developer of WordLand. I'm also a longtime WordPress blog user, andysylvester.com. I'm trying this out for several reasons. Not going to get into it right now. I'm going to post this video to YouTube. Link to it if you want to. I'm using the Brave web browser on Windows 11, and I've created a new WordPress test blog for this. Not going to document that right now. Okay, so here's Dave's current documents as of Sunday, February 23rd, today. I forgot to say it's a Sunday, February 23rd, 2025 when I'm recording this. So here it is. Browser-based text editor written in JavaScript creates and edits posts on WordPress.com sites. So to me, the first thing is I need to have a WordPress.com site that I want to use. And I know from reading a little bit, it does something with Mastodon also because I've seen Dave's thing on Mastodon. So I'm assuming. So I have logged into Mastodon into my account, so I know what that looks like. I mean, whatever. At some point I'll try. I'm just trying this with the WordPress.com right now. At some point I'm going to try working on a self-hosted site because, anyway, I just think need to know about that as well. Okay, so here's a bunch of stuff. Kind of doesn't tell me. Isn't a good way to tell me how to get to the thing, but I'm just going to go to Dave's blog. Scripting news. Here's a link to the product, so let's go see what it looks like. Okay, it says click here to connect to WordPress.com. Let's see how this works. Sorry, I'm getting over a cold. Yep, I'm gonna just approve myself here. It's amazing it thinks I have 5 sites. Not sure which site it thinks it's gonna post to, so I think before I do anything, I ought to figure that out. Let's see here. Tools. Users. Because I don't want it to just go to all of those things. Good question. Oh, settings. Here we go. Well, let's look at this user info first. Yep, that's me. Okay, cool. Alright, let's look at this. Yeah. So my first question is, where do I tell it the site that I'm publishing to? Okay. Let's see. Oh, here's choose site. But man, you know. Alright, so lucky me, I've got a couple of different places here. This is what I just created, sylvesterwordland.wordpress.com. Obviously, I haven't picked the site title because it's so new. I'm going to pick that one. Site title. I'll fix that later. Alright, let's go for first post with WordLand. Oh, come on. Can't type today. Alright. So in the spirit of discovery, we're just going to say this is a test of the emergency. Like I said, can't type. Okay, big 14 words saved. Add new post. Nope, don't want to do that. Publish this post. Probably going to do that in a minute. View to publish post. Edit. No, that's nice. Let's see what this says. View. Okay, don't want to do any of that right now. Okay, we're just going to looking for the happy path. I'm going to post this. We're going to see what happens here. I heard a little chirp. Okay, so I'm going to take from that this. So let's see what happens when I click this thing. Ah, look at that. It worked. It posted to my WordPress, Sylvester WordLand, WordPress.com, blah, blah, blah. First posted WordLand. So I got the title right, and I got the text. It got the text right, and I'm using, excuse me, 2025 theme for the record. Okay, well, let's go back to, where is it? Here, no, not that. It's got to be around here somewhere. It should be over here, close to where Dave's site name was. Oh, here we go. WordLand. Okay, cool. All right, I'm going to make another post. Add new post. Yes, create a post. Title. Let's be really original here. Second post with WordLand. Okay. I heard you can link to other sites from a WordLand post. Okay, so let's see here. I'm just going to highlight link. Oh, goody, and there's that little bar. I'm going to add a link. Why not give Dave the first link? Sure. And that looks good. And I got that. Oh, interesting. It didn't remember what site I was doing. I guess I have to choose it again. Interesting. Okay. Maybe there'll be a setting for that sometime. Okay. So we're going to post that. And I heard a little chirp. And that thing's gone gray. So I'm going to try to view the post. Yes! And is my linking working here? Yes. Ta-da! Okay, that's number 2. Okay, let's see what else it says it can do here. Creates and edits post. Oh yeah, okay, so let's go edit a post. Let's edit. Let's say edit the previous post. Yeah, there we go. Hey, now it remembers this. Okay, that's nice. I am adding a new line by editing. Whoops. Editing this post. Alright, saved it, publish it, chirp, go view it. There it is. Nice. As I might say, so far so good. Alright, there's second post. Yeah, okay. Let's go look at the feature list again. Oh, bold and italic. Okay, let's edit this second one here. Let's make this bold here. Boom. And I'm going to make this herd italic. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Remembers the site I went to. Good. Publish. And chirp. And now we're going to go look at the post. Ta-da. Link's still good. I won't do that. So bold and italics. Nice. Okay, what's the next thing? Hyperlinks did that. Bulletin list, titles optional not required. Check boxes. I haven't done it. It's assigned a category yet. Okay. Bookmarks. That. All RSS feed. Yeah, let's go look at that. Well, I guess. Interesting. Let's go take a look at this here. Feed. No, I don't want a bookmark. Docs, that's the thing we've been looking at. Not very helpful. View RSS. Let's go see this. So it says there's something special about it. Well, I don't know. It kind of looks like my. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go see here. Let's see if that's any different from this. Oh yeah, okay, there's a bunch of other junk in the WordPress version of this. Okay, so it looks like WordLand creates its own RSS feed. That's a little more, I don't know, it's got a little less stuff than WordPress has. Okay, so I just want to check that out. Let's see, let's go back to the list. So we got this. Okay, so support for extended features. I don't know what the hell that is. Screenshot, yes. Looked alright. So let's see. Look at my Mastodon thing here. Anything here? No, I don't see anything. So I'm gonna go back to the docs here. So how do we set up Mastodon stuff? So we did this, title it, saved it, published it, viewed it, da-da-da. Good question. Okay, so looking to see. Oh, okay. That. Oh, it depends on WordPress activity pub thing. Okay, so we'll cover that in a separate thing. That's kind of outside this thing. Okay, so first 12 minutes. Excuse me. Again. Hold on. Okay, I'm finished coughing. For the moment. Okay, so it looks like we've gone over the basics here. Created a post. Yeah, it looks like this. Haven't done checkboxes for category. Probably want to do, I'll say next video is going to be set up ActivityPub so we can see the post appear on Mastodon like Dave does it. But anyway, that's our unboxing experience. That is, where's that document? So this concludes episode 1 of WordLand Unboxing. Give it a try. Take care.